Katanat puli puthi jong sarkar Meghalaya kalabatha ya kijaka puli bakin khangno haki katong ni gibenta jong karilum Garo nagadau ke Jingshit kerang. Haba pentip ekani u menteri katanat puli puthi ke jela Meghalaya u rakam sangma ulong ba kabenta kabala sya akta ke distrik West Garo Hills. Bala ai ke jing betha sya kijaka puli bakin khang shashipor ha ke distrik West Garo Hills bat kumjo ru hakikat tu kani gibenta jong ke South Garo Hills. Ulong ba ke jingkala ha ke jinglong jingman ke sun beneng ke deki aka kabakta ek perthai berokowe. Bat di manuat kilat kilenti bat kumjo ru gimat trikam banla bende halor kani gebenta. Ulong ba kani kamdai kabakta tang ya ke jela jungi hendrai ke deki aka kabakta ya ke perthai berokowe. Bat gejingkala ha gejinglong jingman kesun beneng om tang bakan wanra ke jingshit kerang hendrai kan wanra ru ya ke jingkerdo
Heatwave in all over in certain district of Garo Hills, mostly in West Garo Hills. So I have spoken to DC Tura to give that advisory. So I have been informed that from the district administration that advisory has been given to close down schools for some day, just to avoid any untoward and all these issues to come up in the students. So right now I don't have the exact date. I think it's next 2 or 3 days only. So after that we will take the update. So what's the climate and the environment will be, but based on the improvement of the situation, we'll take a call. So and also would like to urge all the parents or the heads of the institution to take care of the pupils and the whole environment of the institutions. No, because the mostly affected is as of now is West Carolina's mostly on the plant belt. There are certain region where the heat not much impacted. So this is only from the West Carolina. So I think South Carolina also have given some advisory for the head of the institution. But if need be, we'll decide.